$2 on the boombox. Who cares? You mean all that rap stuff you got going on there?
I will turn it up and blow your eardrums out.
I wish you would.
And there's something called Mega Bass, and it makes the crowd vibrate.
Okay, guys, I want to see bubbleheads. 4 bubbleheads. 4 bubbleheads. 4. Come on, big bubbleheads. There we go. Now you're doing it. I want to see big bubbleheads. There we go. We got big. Come on, Kristen. I want to see big bubblehead. Yeah, sideways is bubblehead. Come on, guys. Okay, Jason's doing it. Sarah doing it. There's Jamie. Jamie's doing it. That's a good bubblehead. That's a good bubblehead. There we go. Okay, big stuff. There we go. That's better. Okay, now big bubblehead. I want to see the big stuff. There you go. Jamie's doing it. Sarah's doing it. Oh, there we go. Ooh, you guys are good bubbleheads. This is good stuff. Great stuff. Go, Jimmy. Go, Jimmy. Go, Sarah. Go, Kristen. Ah, you're a big show up. Oh, you're no fun. Come on, bobblehead, man. I can't believe it. We take you guys out sailing at 30 knots of wind, and this is what we get.
Playing the wrong kind of music, yeah. The sailing was still fun. Going boing, boing, boing. But this going
Can
into
you do bobbleheads to this? You can't do. This isn't bobblehead music. This is elevator music. This is what you guys like? Come on, you
Yeah, I
guys.
like the song too.
Come on, you guys. Come on. See bobblehead. If we're going to listen to rap, we want to see bobblehead. There's Jamie's doing it. Go, Jamie. Go, Jamie. Left, right. Left, right. There it is. Sarah. Go, Sarah. Come on, everybody one time. Oh, man, we got a bunch of fakers here. Deadheads. But let's see it. Come on, guys. Come on, kids. Come on, do it. All of a sudden, they're shy. All right, show us.
They look too small.
Everyone watch.
Check out the